Hello everybody. Today I will speak about a new desktop computer which I bought after 3 months working like a waiter. And I will show you what is inside. Let's do it. I forgot to tell you that I am an electric engineer. I finish electrician school and mechanic and don't do this at home. I opened this computer, uh, which I buy near one thousand euros, and I built that computer with my good friend, and you can see the best computer for at least one 1,000, no, yes, 1,000 euros. I will show you configuration on computer now. This is the best how to say components and for gaming for 1,000 euros. For example, CPU is AMD Ryzen 70 77,000. Okay, uh, RAM is 32. Okay, but super fast. Motherboard is ASRock. You can see B650M Pro RS Wi-Fi. Temperature is fine, and the graphic is with 60 GB and gigabyte, yeah, and the storage is big and fast. And now I will show you inside what is. This is old, and here you see cooler, uh, Arctic cooler. This is one cheapest and the best for that price cooler. Down is processor. Here you can see RAM memory, shiny. After that, graphic card is over there, Radeon Gigabyte. This here deep cool is power supply. Okay, motherboard is ASRock over there, and just a second, SSD is small one, small piece over there, HyperX, and that is new generation PC, DDR5. And what else? Dust. We don't have lot of dust over there, but one day I can to clean it, and I will show you how to do it. Maybe I will do it in this video. I will show you now. Okay, first you need to turn off your computer, and after that unplug all. Just put how to say switch on 0, and now unplug all. If you see like this light, just press 10 second this button switch for turn on and turn off, and try 1, 2, 3 times to turn off, turn on your because electricity inside. And now I will go in next room to clean this computer. Okay, now his computer is clean inside, and I will check is it work. Okay, it's fine. Light on motherboard is ready. Okay, and now I will turn on. Okay, fine, perfect. Everything work fine and smooth. Okay, and monitor also work. That's it. Everything is clean, and now will work better. I would like to ask you, is it okay that for you, write me in comment below, is it okay to create a video how I drive a bike, mountain bike, across forest and downhill, and is it fine that I put on that YouTube channel, because this channel is about technique, energy, and technique and power, electric power and all power, heating, and also that story is on my channel. This is my channel, and I would like to create channel that I speak about that, because I tried 1000 jobs, different kinds of jobs, and like a waiter, bartender, and I don't want to speak a lot about that. You know that I finish high school electrician and mechanic school, two high school I finish, and some course of graphic design and English. And if you would like to speak about me, just write down. Okay, next video I will tell you just a second which is. Next video is how to clean air conditioners. And because before I clean also air conditioners, here in my notebook I have five titles which I want to record. Have a great day, and every day I will try to how to say, I will try to improve my English skill and language. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a great day.